Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. It is the world of social media gurus that has been put before your eyes to blind you from the truth. If you take the blue pill, you go back to all those social media gurus. But if you take the red pill, you never look at social media marketing the same again. Remember, all I'm offering is the truth. Congratulations for taking the red pill. No, I'm not Morpheus, even though some people say I look like him. But I have been the Morpheus for a lot of people on YouTube. And if you give me the chance in this video, I'm going to show you exactly, and in this whole series, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be successful on YouTube. And we're going to cut out all the BS out there, all the fake gurus out there that try to teach you how to grow a YouTube channel, because honestly, 90% of them have no idea what they're talking about. And you're probably wondering why you should listen to me. Well, my name is Anand and I run a company called Vidgrowth, where we are the #1 YouTube marketing agency out there. And we can say this because we have results for it. In fact, over the last 3 years, we've had so many YouTube channels not only grow on YouTube, but also grow their business on YouTube, which is exactly what this video and this whole series is going to be about. So this is going to be video #1. And in this video, I want to show you exactly why YouTube is the #1 marketing platform out there, whether you're a beginner or you're an established business. If you're not taking YouTube seriously, you're seriously missing out. So make sure to watch this whole video and I'm going to show you exactly why YouTube is important for your business and what to do next. So let's get right into it. #1, YouTube is one of the biggest platforms out there. In fact, YouTube has more than 2 billion active monthly users on the platform. And what do I mean by active? This means that people who actually use YouTube as logged in users, these people have YouTube accounts or Google accounts and they use it as users. So what this does is not only do you know exactly how many people use YouTube, but also because these people are logged in, their search history, their watch history, it's all recorded by YouTube. So YouTube knows exactly who the audience is and who to show the video to. And never before in history has there been a platform like this where there's so many users, 2 billion, which is about a third of the world, is actively logged into YouTube. And then also not just that, but you also have information and data as to who is your viewer. So this makes YouTube a really powerful platform if you want to build your audience in any niche. #2 is that 74% of the US population actually uses YouTube, which is huge, especially if you want to target the US audience. And not only that, the average person spends about 42 minutes on YouTube watching these videos. So that's a huge amount of time, a huge amount of attention that people are spending per day on this one platform. So if you want to target people within the US or other countries, for example, US is the #1 country when it comes to overall population on YouTube, the second largest being India and the third largest being Japan. But of course, YouTube is actually available in 100 countries and in over 80 languages. So this is a powerful opportunity for you to target wherever your audience is, doesn't matter which country, doesn't matter which language. You can make the exact kind of content that will reach that audience and help you build that massive brand, massive following and massive audience that you'll be looking for, which as a business you can monetize easily in the future. Also, not just the adult population. We talked about how 74% of adults use YouTube, but actually 80% of the parents that were surveyed, they all said that their kids watch YouTube. If you're preparing your business for the long term, you want to build a brand over the next 5, 10, 15 years or even more, then you're already getting in front of an audience of kids that are getting to know your brand name. Now, of course, your content may not be for kids, so that's completely fine, but kids channels are some of the biggest channels on YouTube. In fact, the biggest channel on YouTube in terms of revenue, the channel that makes the most money on YouTube is a kids channel. It's called Ryan's World. You can look it up, millions and millions of subscribers. And this is a big market for you if you're trying to build a brand in the long term, not just for the adult population, but even the kids. And the beauty is YouTube is popular not just amongst the kids or adults, it's like it ranges throughout the age range, including senior citizens as well. So no matter what type of content you make, this is one platform which is universal And unlike other platforms, like right now, TikTok might be for like teenagers or younger, or people might say Facebook is for older people. YouTube has that universal appeal and a mainstream appeal, and it's taking over other platforms that used to be popular back in the day, including television. Like, who even watches television anymore? So if you're a business owner even and you've tried television ads or old school advertising, then this may be a better option for you because your audience is already built in for you. In fact, YouTube is actually the second most visited website after Google. It's also the second largest search engine in the world after Google, of course, and it's owned by Google. And it's also the second largest social media platform after Facebook. And unlike traditional media where it's one-sided, because YouTube is actually a social media platform, it's more like a hybrid of a social media and content platform, meaning you have long-form content, amazing, like highly edited videos, but at the same time, you have a whole community built in around your YouTube videos. You have people in the comments section, you have people sharing your videos. If you know how to use the YouTube community tab, then that's also a very powerful tool for you to communicate with your audience. And there's many options like that for you to build a community, which has never been possible before in such a large scale before. Number three, even if you're a B2B business, YouTube is a very powerful branding platform. Now, a lot of people make a mistake of using YouTube as a sales platform. They try to always try to sell stuff to people, including businesses. But that's not the point of YouTube. But if you know how to use YouTube as a branding platform, it's a very powerful tool for you to build a massive brand. Whether you're trying to build a corporate brand or a personal brand, you can build a brand on YouTube from scratch. Or if you have an existing brand that you want to bring out to a really large audience, then YouTube is the number one tool to do this. And when it comes to B2B marketing or B2B branding even, because it's a video platform, now whether you want to promote your business, whether you want to sell your own products or services, whether you want to do affiliate marketing, doesn't matter. Like this, we're going to talk a lot more in detail about these topics in our next video. But for the purposes of this video, doesn't matter how you choose to monetize your content. But because you're watching a video, just like you're watching a video right now on YouTube, it builds a lot of trust. Like, you can, yeah, sure, you can do like Instagram and short videos and stuff like that, but it doesn't build trust like a long form video like this does. It gives you a lot of authority because it builds trust. Because let's face it, at the end of the day, your brand is your trust and your reputation. That's all it is. Your brand is not about having a fancy logo. Yeah, sure, there's those things are associated with the brand, having a logo, having a catchphrase, or sponsoring people to endorse your brand, all that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, your brand is your reputation. Meaning, when people think of, first of all, when they think of you, what's the first thought that comes to mind? Like when you think of big brands, think of Apple, what comes to mind? When you think of Nike, Coca-Cola. So of course, these are very large brands, but I'm sure you can name your favorite YouTuber because they have a personal brand. Like for example, I'm in the marketing space. If I talk about marketers like Gary Vaynerchuk, okay, what comes to mind? Social media. When I think of people like Neil Patel, what comes to mind is SEO, because these people have branded themselves into this niche. So even what I'm trying to do with my business is build my own brand so that when people think of YouTube marketing, video marketing, my company and my name is the first to pop into their head. And oftentimes when we can look at brands the other way, where you think of a product, but then a brand comes to mind. For example, if you think of toothpaste, then a brand like Colgate comes to mind. So there's so many examples. If you know any other examples, leave a comment down below. Like what kind of products can you think of that you think of the product, but a particular brand is automatically associated with it. So the point I'm trying to make is it's a very powerful branding platform for business. Because if you can get to that stage where whenever you think of a particular niche and people think of you and your channel, that's when you made it. That's when you become an authority in your niche, and literally no one can compete with you at that point. Because, let's face it, your competition can do all sorts of stuff. They can try to run ads, but hey, if you got that brand name, there's literally no competition. You're like literally rising above all your competition. And sure, it's a lot of work upfront to build a channel and audience, but it's totally worth it. Number 4 is that YouTube is actually a very powerful monetization tool. And what I mean by that is not only can you host your videos for free on YouTube, meaning you don't have to pay for hosting, not only do they help you build your audience, because YouTube and the algorithm is so powerful that if you know how to use it, then they help you build your audience without paying for anything. They actually, in fact, they pay you for making videos. And how crazy is that, right? Because which other platform can you think of is where if you're a content creator, then you can make this much money. Sure, you can use other platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn and TikTok and publish content, but you usually don't get paid that much. But because on YouTube and because of the number of advertisers on the platform, like YouTube is a multi-billion dollar business and their business relies on ad revenue. If your content is helping YouTube grow, meaning you're bringing people on the platform, you're keeping people on the platform, they will reward you for it. Now, granted, most channels won't make a ton of money just through ads, but there's a lot of other things that I'm going to talk about in my next video, which is going to be lesson number 2. But in this video number 1, I want to prepare you for what is possible on YouTube. So what I'm trying to say is, do not take this platform lightly. In fact, this is one platform that can completely change your life or completely change your business. And number 5, YouTube is a very powerful advertising platform. And in my previous point, I talked about how you can get paid using YouTube ads, how when advertisers advertise on your videos, YouTube pays you a share of that as ad revenue. But that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is, if you as a business, you as an entrepreneur, if you want to advertise on YouTube, it's one of the most powerful advertising platforms out there. Meaning, if you know how to run YouTube ads, which again, I'll be sharing in this series with you how to actually run YouTube ads, so that you can promote your business, build your brand, and also get more customers, get more sales using the power of YouTube advertising. But just keep in mind that YouTube is one of the largest advertising platforms, meaning because YouTube has the audience that you want, you can easily target people, you can spend money on ads. Of course, it's not always cheap, but if you know how to run ads, and if you have a product or service in the back end that you want to promote, or simply you want to grow your brand, let's say you don't even care about getting an ROI out of it. You just want to build your brand and you want to get your message in front of people. You can easily run ads against the exact audience that you want. You can easily target people by the kind of keywords that they search for. You can target people by the kind of content they watch. Meaning, let's say you have competitors and you want to get in front of those channels. Then you can place your ads on your competitors' channels very easily, so that when people are aware of a certain kind of YouTuber or certain kind of brand, but you also want to get your brand awareness in front of them. It's very simple to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this series. So I hope you're excited for this series. This is going to be a completely free course. You don't have to pay for anything. There's no sign-ups. There's none of that BS out there, because all you have to do is just subscribe to this channel and make sure to watch the next video in this playlist. And in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on YouTube, not just from YouTube. Yes, there's a difference between the two. So make sure to watch the video right here, where I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on YouTube, and then what kind of tactics you can use to generate more income or multiple streams of income on YouTube. I'll see you next time.